Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Nguyen and this is a presentation about government benefits from blockchain technology. In this presentation, I will explore the potential of blockchain technology to improve the efficiency and security of social programs like Social Security, welfare, and Medicare. These programs are vital for millions of citizens, but they can be plagued by inefficiency, fraud, or error. Blockchain technology could offer a secure and transparent way to manage data and transactions, potentially saving taxpayer dollars and improving programs' effectiveness. But before we dive into exploring blockchain, what exactly are the problems that need addressing here? Government programs like Social Security, welfare, and Medicare play a crucial role in social safety nets, but they often face significant challenges that can leave them inefficient and vulnerable. Let's delve deeper into this problem. The first major issue is fraudulent claims. This consists of false identities, where criminals may use stolen identities or create fake ones to claim benefits illegally. The next thing is eligibility misrepresentation. Individuals may manipulate income data or hide access to qualify for programs they couldn't otherwise be eligible for. And duplicate claims, which means the same benefit might be claimed multiple times through errors or deliberate attempts. These fraudulent activities drain valuable resources that should be going to legitimate recipients. Next problem regarding administrative costs. Verifying eligibility and processing claims often involves extensive manual data entry, which is prone to errors and time-consuming. Both programs administrator and beneficiaries can get bogged down by complex paperwork requirements. And verifying income, employment, and other eligibility factors can be slow and cumbersome process. This administrative burden leads to delays in processing claims and increased program overhead costs. Another huge problem that I really want to talk about is lack of transparency. Citizens may have difficulty checking their benefit history or understanding how their eligibility is determined, as well as the rules and regulations governing these programs can be very complex and confusing. This can lead to frustration and errors. And furthermore, auditing and checking program funds can be challenging due to a lack of real-time data and transparency. This lack of transparency can erode trust in the programs and make it difficult to identify areas for improvement. The final major issue is data security breaches. Sensitive personal information like social security numbers and income data are often stored in centralized databases that are vulnerable to hacking attacks. And when system breach or human error occurs, it can lead to sensitive information being exposed, putting individuals at risk of identity theft and fraud. And to make matters worse, many government agencies rely on legacy IT systems that may not have adequate security measures in place. These security vulnerabilities can have devastating consequences for program beneficiaries and create a loss of public trust. By understanding these problems in detail, we now can effectively see how blockchain technology can potentially address them and revolutionize the way that government and programs are administered. Here's how. We can combat fraudulent claims by secure identity management. Blockchain can store digital identities with strong encryption, make it nearly impossible to create fake identities or steal existing ones. Smart contracts. These self-executing contracts can automate eligibility check based on predefined criteria, reducing the risk of human error and manipulation. Immutable transaction records. All transactions on a blockchain are permanent and tamper-proof, making it virtually impossible to submit duplicate claims. An example of this might be a program that uses blockchain to verify the identities and qualification of individuals applying for social welfare benefits. This system reduces the risk of fraud and ensures resources reach those who truly need them. We can streamline the administration process. Smart contracts can automatically verify data and trigger benefit payments when eligibility criteria are met, removing the need for manual processing. The need for paper documents can be reduced by secure digital records on blockchain, streamlining the application and verification process. And better yet, different government agencies can share data securely on a blockchain platform, so we don't need duplicate data entry or verification. A very good example of this is Estonia, a leader in e-government, is exploring blockchain methods to automate healthcare record management. This could allow healthcare providers to access patient data securely and efficiently, reducing administrative burdens. The transparency can also be enhanced a lot. Citizens can check their benefit history and application status in real time on a secure blockchain platform. Program rules and regulation can be stored on blockchains for easy access and understanding by both beneficiaries and administrators. All transactions on a blockchain are publicly verifiable, creating a transparent audit trail for program funds. A very useful application of this that I can think of is a project that uses blockchain to track food aid distribution. This allows for greater transparency and ensures that food reaches its intended beneficiaries. And the final benefit is strengthening data security. Data is stored across a network of computers, making it less vulnerable to hacking attacks on a single point of failure. Blockchain also uses strong cryptographic techniques to encrypt sensitive data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users. Furthermore, once a record is added to a blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, creating a permanent and tamper-proof audit trail. The state of Illinois is actually exploring this technology to secure birth certificates. This would make it harder to forge or steal birth certificates, protecting citizens from identity theft. By implementing this solution, blockchain has the potential to transform government programs, making them more efficient, secure, and trustworthy for both citizens and administrators. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While blockchain offers exciting possibilities, there are still challenges to overcome. The notable ones are scalability. Public blockchain can struggle to handle its high transaction volume required for large government programs. Regulation. The legal framework surrounding blockchain technology is still evolving, require clear regulations for government adoption. And finally is integration. Integrating blockchain with existing government IT systems can be complex and time-consuming. These are all very real and important problems that require further research and a lot of work to address them. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of blockchain are significant. Continued research and development can pave the way for a future where government programs are more efficient, secure, and transparent. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Goodbye.